Hello, good day. So, for the fifth example natin sa reaction, so we have this setup. Okay. So, 6.1 ang kada length ng span. So, multiplied mo yan sa 6. You will get 36.6. Then, we have these loadings. Okay. So, sa A ako magmo-moment. I make clockwise positive direction. So, that is summation of moment at A is equals to 0. So, si dy mo iikot ng negative. Perpendicular distance niya is 24.4 plus, ito muna, si 106.8. Ano yung distance niya kay A, which is 6.1. So, ito yon. Then, pangalawa, plus 106.8 times perpendicular distance niya, which is 12.2. Okay? Ito, pangatlo, plus 106.8 times 18.3. Because tatlong 6.1 yung layo niya mula kay A. Then, dito na tayo. Minus 106.8. Ito, ikot siya ng counterclockwise. Times 6.1. Then, minus 66.75 times 6.1 also. Because nasa taas lang siya ni 106.8. Ikot din siya ng counterclockwise. So, the same din kay 53.4 minus 53.4 times 12.2 is equals to 0. So, if we solve that sa calcu, ang makukuha mo ay by is equals to 90.1125 kilonewton. And that is upward. Okay? So, meron na tayong by. Ito yun. So, ay naman ng ating kukunin. So, pwede na siya gawin through summation of forces vertical. So, meron tayong ay is missing. So, inassume natin si ay pataas to resist the load. So, plus 90.1125 is equals to 106.8. Ilan yung 106.8 natin? Sa 2, 3, 4 times 4 plus 66.75 plus 53.4. Okay, so pinag-equate na lang natin. So, by solving, we will have plus ayan, 457.2375. So, that's now the value of our AY. Kilonewton, and that is upward. So, ito yung isa nating sagot, then ito yung isa. Okay? So, that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!